Hello and welcome back to Instayarn Creations. This is another episode or video for Stitch of the Week. I am going to show you guys how to do the single foundation chain. So this is, something that you can use as like a base chain for any project that starts out with a row of single crochets. So I have done a video, I think, on the half double crochet foundation chain, so I thought that I would do one on the single crochet as well. This is great for if you're making like dishcloths or something like that, where you're going to need to start with one row of single crochet. So basically what you're doing here is instead of creating your chain that you would normally create when you start a pattern, you're going to have your chain and your single crochet all done in one step. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing that we need to do is to start with a slip knot. So I've already got it on my hook there. And then we are going to chain 2. And that is all that we need to chain. Okay. So then the next step is to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. And we're going to yarn over. And we're going to pull up a loop. So what we need to do right here is we need to create basically our chain first, which is going to run along the bottom here. So we're just going to yarn over and we're going to pull through one loop. Okay, so that's going to create like a chain underneath here. And then for the next step, we are going to yarn over and finish a single crochet like we normally would. Okay, so it's 2 steps. So you need to create your foundation chain stitch and then your single crochet. So now what we need to do for the next one is underneath you're going to see that there's this this V here. Get a little bit closer in the camera. Okay, so we need to put, it is a little hard to see with the first ones that you do here, but you can kind of guide your hook in there, but we need to go through both of those stitches so that we have 2 loops on our hook there. Okay, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through. Okay, so that's, again, we need to, like I said before, we need to create our chain. So instead of finishing off a single crochet like we normally would, we're just going to go through and pull through one loop. So that now creates that next chain that we'll need to go into. And then now we can do our single crochet. So you're going to see that along the top here, it actually looks like we're doing our like a row of single crochet. So we have our stitches there. And the bottom is our base chain. Okay, so you can see, if I pull this out, so see how we have this V here. So we're going to go into those 2 loops. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop. So again, not finishing off just doing a single crochet, we're just going to go through one and then, so that's our chain underneath, and then we're going to pull through both loops, and then that is actually our single crochet along the top. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few more of these. There. So that is how you do the foundation single crochet. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will be back again for another stitch of the week coming soon.